Hey, this is Kalam. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Adobe Firefly. It's for free, and Adobe Firefly AI beta access for free. Download tutorial. It's for 100% free, of course. You don't need any payment. You need only login here and first go to Adobe Firefly. Then put your Gmail. Then you need to wait 1 or 2 days for verify your email. Uh, this email verify actually Adobe Firefly admin panel. Don't worry, just put your email, then wait 1 or 2 days. Then you see this is a dashboard for Adobe Firefly. Then I'm going to text to image generator. This is awesome tool. So you can generate any images, any art for absolutely for free. So you can see here is a lots of image. So lots of image. Example of I art a hungry dog in the RAIL railway station. Just click enter, and here is a four option. Actually five option: landscape, portrait, square, and white screen vertical. So you can choose any format. I need white screen, 16 for 19. So content type. This is a four option. This is a nothing, none, photo, graphics, art. I recommend you art because it's for better than graphic and photo. Then here is a lots of color generations, so you can generate any photo and any color. Oh my god, you can see Adobe Firefly. Yeah, it suggest me some photo. This dog actually it put in a railway station. You can see this is a red train, and this is the railway station platform. Then you can see other photo. Wow. If I want to change this option art to graphic, just click on graphic. You can use Adobe Firefly on your mobile phone. You don't need any PC or laptop. Wow, this is a still photo. This is actually graphic type. So I can change this one, this one, this one. If you want to download this photo, just click the corner download button. Then wait 1 or 2 seconds. That's it. And Adobe Firefly is 100% free for beta version. You Adobe Firefly don't recommend you. This is a not commercial use. Image not for commercial use. This is a beta version. When Adobe Firefly published their full version, you can use your photo and anywhere, any commercial use. This doesn't matter. Now